How did you girls get the idea to start the brand?
How did we get the idea to start the brand?
That's on you, girl.
Well, let's start by saying that 2020 has been a year.
Breaking news tonight, the coronavirus forcing millions more Americans into virtual lockdown.
2020 has been a year. It gave both of us a lot of time that we just did not have otherwise. One day I got this vision of Natalie and I creating this makeup brand together. I decided to send her a voice note.
4-minute voice note. She was like, you know, I have this idea. We should start this brand. And my gut instinct was just, yes.
We both love beauty so much, but we wanted to explore it in a different way.
We've spent the last decade or two
creating other people's visions. That we did not practice that.
And now it's our turn to create our vision, and we're able to do everything our way, exactly how we want. And the idea of working on the brand with EMAN meant that we're in control. We can create our own vision.
Preach. Preach.
Action.
Hi, I'm Iman.
Hi, I'm Natalie.
Helicopter. Hi, I'm Iman.
Hi, I'm Natalie.
And okay, take two. Should we try one where we both say it, or is that super cheese?
It's very cheese. 1, 2, 3.
And this is the story of how we started our own makeup brand. No, too cheesy, too cheesy.
How did you girls come up with the idea for filming the series?
One of the most important things for me for this process, for both of us, is we want you guys to be a part of this experience as much as possible. We want to show you everything.
With everything that I do working on set, it's always like creating this whole illusion. Once I worked on set and I saw what was behind the curtains, it is anything but glamorous 99% of the time. Even Instagram and social media, when it first came out, everyone was so excited because you got to see that behind the scenes. And now even that is like a glamorous version.
Exactly.
This is an opportunity for us to show the realness. We're gonna have struggles. We already had struggles today.
Today's the first day.
Today's the first day.
Struggles.
We're feeling frustrated. This is our very first attempt at trying to film
Our BTS.
our BTS, but we're not techie types.
Did you try it on both? Because it was on the wrong one.
I'm like a crazy person when I'm hungry.
Wait, we need to fly in us.
But I feel much better.
So we couldn't figure out the microphone system.
All right, guys, we're clipped in.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Sorry.
Testing, 1, 2.
Test, 1, 2, 3.
Cross the water, cross the deep.
How do you girls know each other?
We met in Canada, in Toronto.
Yes, we're both Canadian.
We were both represented by the same agency. I remember Rosanna telling me about you. Rosanna's like, I just signed this girl. She has like 1 million views on YouTube. And this was 2013 when YouTube was like not a thing. So I remember I totally watched her YouTube videos before.
She was a fan, you guys. She was a fan. Low-key fan.
I was going to this job. I was going to meet Iman, this one that the owner of my agency is just
We were
picking up.
both working
I
on
was a
set.
little intimidated, I'm not gonna lie. And I roll in, and there's Iman with her glasses, no makeup, a bun, a grumpy morning face.
I remember seeing that for the first time. So I was waiting in the lobby because we were shooting in a hotel. Sorry for this noise, you guys. Natalie comes in and she's like, yes, you did. I swear. She comes in and she's such a presence because she's like, you know, so tall and like glam. And she has her red lip. She has her leather jacket and her Starbucks. And I'm like, oh, she's working on set with me. I can tell she's a makeup artist. And then we both decided to move to LA. Now we're launching this brand together. The truth is, we have no idea what we're doing.
La la la, blah blah blah.
Hi, I'm Iman. Go.
And this is a story of how we're starting our own makeup line.
Let's say brand.
Okay, and this is the story of how we're starting our own makeup line.
Brand.
Oh my god, wow.
Action.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Fuck you.
Are you rolling? Between the both of us, we have how many years of experience?
Over 2 decades at least.
2
Maybe
decades.
3
Almost
between the
3.
two of us.
So we have a lot of experience and experience in like all different areas.
From the core start of this brand, our values are in the right place. We want to be able to give back to causes that we care about. We want to be able to
Absolutely.
align with things that matter to us.
Yes.
And just drive positive change forward. And that's our mission with this brand.
Can you
And
tell how inspired we are? Can you tell how excited we are?
you feel the passion?
I just want to basically just show you guys that if you have a dream and if you're passionate and if you put in the hard work,
Keyword, you work hard. Keyword, work.
and you can make anything happen. That is the purpose of this series. We're gonna show it all. You guys are gonna be a part of it.
Yeah.
And then once the brand launches, we hope that you guys are gonna be as excited about it as we are.
I hope so.
4, 5, 6.
I'm probably gonna have to have a little louder. It's like, but when you're doing it, I feel like you're gonna be excited, so naturally your voice will be a little louder.
Do they sound on the same volume level or no?
Ours is a